Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the default methods and what are the different scenarios when we have like two interfaces with the same default method and how I can use a specific default method from one interface. So we are going to see it. Let's take one example. I have interface A and in the interface I have one default method, let's say default void hello, and I'm just printing sys out A, right? And I have one more method, interface B, and here also I have one method void hello, same name, and the description is different, B, and my class is implementing both A and B. Then what happens? So it says that unrelated default, like these are different, that's why it is giving this compile time error, right? So this is one scenario where we have two different interfaces with the hello and so the solution of this type of thing is that we should implement default method right in the class itself. So that resolves this issue. Okay. So if I create the object of right and I call this hello method. So and I give some print like my class. Now I run it, then it will give this output, right? Because I have overridden this default method in my class. But tell me, there is one more scenario uh, where this interface is okay. One more thing, if I don't want like my implementation. I want to use the implementation of this hello B. B interface hello method, then how can I use it? So what can I do here? I can give b dot super dot hello. So in this way if I run it, I can call the implement default method of the, b interface hello method, right? So this is the way of calling. If I want to call this also a class a interface hello method also, then I can call it. So both the hello methods will get called, right? So this is the way I have to override if both the methods are same in the different interface and I am implementing it in my class. Now I have a scenario. Let's remove it. Okay, let's remove it and just forget about. If I have a relationship between A and B and I am like extending it, okay, then tell me what happens. The error is gone, right? The compile time error was gone because it has resolved its issue itself, because the compiler know which method it has to call. That's why the compilation error is gone. Okay. If I now if I run it, because I don't have the hello method in the class, but it knows which method has to call. So tell me which method will get called. So the B method will get called, like, so B interface method will get called. Okay, let's run it. Okay, because it knows we have this interface default method and we have this, but when we are like extending a interface and I am again defining, like I am giving the implementation of hello method again, so it knows that this method has to call, right? So these two are the different scenarios. Now I have one more scenario. Tell me, if I override, okay, okay, tell me I have a class, okay, and class C implements A and B, and I have, okay, let's say I have this will say that you have to implement, so I have implemented it, okay, and I will just write south um, C class, right? So it will give the error, and my class extends C only, not A and B, right? Now tell me what will the output, okay? So it is not giving the compilation error, but it is calling the C class hello method, right? Why? Because see, when it was in the relationship between A and B, there was a relationship, so B method was getting called. Now we have this relationship between A and B. Both the methods we have same in the interface, but we are overriding that method. So we know that this is the implementation. That's why it is calling this hello, right? And we are extending this, right? So this is very three scenarios if you try yourself, and this type of questions can get asked in the interview also. So definitely you will be asked if they ask about the default methods, so be prepared for this. This is it for the for this video. Hope you liked it.